Hello everyone. In today's class, we will understand the following topics that you can see on the screen. Define credit control area, define business area, define segment, and in the last, we will understand define functional area. And after understanding the basic concept of all these topics, we will see the practical example in SAP S/4HANA how to create all these areas and segment. So let's start with the first one, that is credit control area. In SAP, credit control area is the area that validates the credit limit given to customer with the set amount and restrict the entries if outstanding amount exceed the set amount. So the credit control area work as like you see in the credit card that there is a certain limit in credit card. For example, 15,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. You can't purchase or buy any product exceed to that limit. Same as in the SAP, if you set credit control area for certain amount, then and assign to a company code, then in a company code you can't exceed the credit limit from that amount. For example, you have a company named as ABC Limited, and in that ABC Limited you assigned a credit control area where you set a limit of amount rupees 10 lakh. So in that company code you can give credit limit up to 10 lakh, not more than 10 lakh rupees. Yeah, in more more or in depth we can take an example like you have ABC Limited company, and you have credit control area with set limit 10 lakh, and you have 10 customers in that company to whom you have already given 9 lakh rupees credit. Now you have only 1 lakh rupees to give as credit amount to your customer. You can't exceed 10 lakh rupees as set in the controlling area. So hope you have understood that point, that in controlling area the amount that we set will be applicable in a company code at the time of giving credit to a customer. Second point is one credit control area can be assigned to one or more than one company code, but one company code can have only one credit control area. So this point explains that if you create one controlling area, one credit control area, and you can assign that single credit control area to multiple companies, and one company code can only have one credit control area. In the global settings of a company code, you can see a single field for entering credit control area. You can't enter two or three credit control area in a single company code. So second point says that one controlling area can be set in multiple company codes. Then third point is it is a 4-digit alphanumeric key. Well, you create well when you create credit control area in SAP, you have to define it with certain keys, and that certain keys limited up to 4 digit with alpha numeric or either alphanumeric. You can set with combination of alphanumeric key also. And to create credit control area, you can use a T code OB45. We will see in the practical example after understanding other topics. So move to the next topic, that is business area. In SAP, business area is equal to business branches that are allocated at different areas or maybe different cities or maybe different states. If you are running a business where you have multiple branches in different cities, so to record those transactions or to record those they, those branches business transaction, you have to create a business area in SAP with 4-digit alphanumeric key, uh, and it is created at client level. So if you have two or three company code, and all the three company code have uh, branches with the same location, it may be possible that there are branches of two or three companies at a same place. So you can create uh, you have to create once uh, at a time once business area, and that will applicable for all the three or four company codes. Then second point is you can define business area if there are any branches located from where business transaction are conducted. This point explains that you have to create business area for those branches that have business transactions. And to create the business area in SAP, you have to use T code OX03. I hope you have understood business area, what is business area in SAP. Now come to the next topic, that is segment. Segment can be segment can be defined as it divides the business into either product wise, area wise, or role wise. Let's say your company is named as ABC Limited, and manufacturing TV, LED TV, laptops, and cameras. So here your product line is made of three products, and you want reports. You want report product wise. So in SAP you have to define those product line under segmentation, so that it can so that management can get report uh, product wise in SAP. Now second point says that segments are used for segment reporting. If you define your profit centers, you can enter an associated segment in the master record of a profit center. The segment is then derived from the assigned profit center during the posting. Second point says that when you are creating a profit center, you can also uh, enter segment in the master of profit center, so that at the time of posting you have to only enter profit center, and system will derive segment automatically from that profit center. Hope you have cleared all both the points that I have explained to you right now. Now third point is, while creating a segment, uh, you have to create it with the 6-digit alphanumeric key, and segment is also created at client level. Now next topic is functional area. In functional area simply means the department that exists in a company, like finance department, marketing department, service department, HR department. These are functional area under SAP. So if you want to record expenses that occurred particularly for a department, so you have to create or you have to define functional area. Second point says that functional area are used for function of expense method. It means that the expenses that occurred in a particular department assigned to that department with the help of functional area. Now third point is, it is 4-digit alphanumeric key created at client level, and it is assigned with cost center when we create a cost center. So when creating a functional area, you have to define 4-digit alphanumeric key. for functional area. And a functional area works same as segment, as segment is the segment is entered in profit center master data. Here functional area is defined at cost center master data. If you defined the functional area in cost center master data, and at the time of posting you have to only pick cost center, and system will derive functional area automatically. To create functional area, the T code is OKBD. So our all four topics have been completed. I hope you have understood all the 4 points, 4 topics. Now let's do the practical in SAP S4 HANA. So this is the IMG screen. Let me come to the SAP Easy Axis. So here you can see we are at SAP Easy Axis. To create credit control area, business area, functional area and segment, you have to go to IMG screen, and for that you have to use T code S3RO and press enter. Here you can see SAP reference IMG screen. Click on this option. Now you can see IMG screen. At IMG screen you have to follow the path from enterprise structure, go to definition. From definition go to financial accounting. Under financial accounting you can see define credit control area, and if you want to see T code of that, go to additional information, display key, IMG screen, IMG activity. So now you can see T code also. Here define credit control area, T code is OB45. Last 4 digit is a T code of this function. So you can also use OB45, or either you can go with the path. So to create credit control area, you have to click on execute icon. Single click on execute icon. As you can see, already there are some credit control areas that are created by someone. SAP gives 0001 credit control area as standard when we purchase SAP software. Let me show you its configuration. Here you can see 4-digit numeric key is set as credit control area key. Currency is INR. Here you have to mention fiscal year variant, and credit limit is 11,000. So we create our own credit control area, and for this click on new entries. We will give alphanumeric key. So our alphanumeric key is K100. Currency is INR. Nothing. See, these two fields are mandatory in nature, other fields are optional. So we are ignoring the update field, fiscal year variant field, risk category field, and at credit limit we are giving 10 lakh rupees as a credit. And press enter. So everything is correct, no error is coming here after pressing enter. So we can save the data. So you click on save. Here transport request is coming, so we create a new transport report by clicking new request. Here we mention credit control area for K01 company. Save. continue. So you can see credit control area is saved. Now by clicking back, you have to enter description of your credit control area. Your credit control area of K001 company. Okay, save. Data is saved. Now go back. Now our next topic is business area. Define business area, and the T code is OX03. We click on execute. Here you can see there are some business area already there. We have to create a new business area, so we click on new entries. Here enter 4-digit alphanumeric key. So I am using 2 alpha key AB10 and giving Indore branch AB20, Bhopal branch B30, Gwalior branch Ujjain branch. Enter. Everything is correct. Now you can save the data. Save. Again we have to create a new request. Business area for company K001. Enter. Enter. Data is saved. So our second topic is already covered. Now third one is define functional area. So here for functional area T code is OKBD. Click on execute. For new entries, click on new entries. Here you can give 1 second. Business area is coming. Okay. Functional area. As you can see, many functional area are already there. For R, we create a new. Here also we will give, let's say there are 3 functional area in our company: finance, marketing and service. So AF001 AF01 finance K1 finance of company K001 AF02 marketing of K001 AF03 service of K001 company. Press enter. Okay, there is a error. It says an entry already exists with the same key. Sorry, just a second. Yeah, here it is saying that there is a key that is already there, so we change the we'll change our function key. You can use AF10, AF20, AF30. So these are not created earlier, so we have given new keys to functional area. Now everything is correct, we can save. Transport request, create new transport request, functional area of K001, enter, enter, the data is saved. Now creating segments. Segment, there is no T code for segment, so you have to go with the path that I have shown you. Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and execute segment. Define segment. Click on execute. New entries. Here we take 3 products like TV, laptop, and camera. So 100 underscore TV, product segment of K1 200 underscore laptop, product segment of K001 300 underscore camera, product segment of K101, enter. No issues are there, everything is correct. Now you can save data by clicking save. Here you have to create a new transport request. Segment creation of K001, enter. Now data is saved. So our all 4 topics have been covered. In this class we have understood what is credit control area and create a credit control area. Then we have understood business area and create business area for our company code. We understand segments and create segment for our company code. We understood financial area, functional area, and create functional area for our company code. Now there is one thing that functional area and segment. These are assigned in profit center and cost center, but credit control area we have to assign to a company. So from where we have to assign, we go to enterprise structure, assignment, financial accounting. Here you can see assign company code to credit control area, and its T code is B38C. So here we have to assign company code to, we have to assign credit control area to company code. So our company code is this is our company code K001. Here we will assign our credit control area, that is K100. Enter, save, generate new transport request, assign credit control area to company code. enter. Now your data is saved. So in today's class we have completed our four topics. Four topics we have covered. These are define credit control area, define business area, define segment, and define functional area. Hope you have understood all these points, all these topics very well, and also you have seen practicals also, so you can practice on your remote server. And if there is any query, you can email me your query with a screenshot. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much. Bye bye.